How to redeem Pokémon Go codes on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Pokémon Go. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you are in the homepage of Pokémon Go, click on this icon over here. The option of shop will be visible to you. Simply click on it. It will redirect you to this page where you will be able to enter a promo code and redeem it. In this section, simply enter the promo code that you have got. And then click on apply. Once you click on apply, your promo code will be redeemed. Well, the promo codes in Pokémon Go are typically used to redeem various in-game items such as Pokeballs, potions, berries, and sometimes even rare Pokemon encounters. These codes are often distributed through special events, promotions, or partnership with other companies. Players can enter these codes in the game shop to claim the rewards associated with them. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to redeem code on Pokémon Go in iPhone. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.